Chukumamo, Ibu Chukumamo, Ibu Chukuma inemeremu, Odimai, Igoziri magozi, Chukumamo.
Do you know that you can now create AI music in your own language? It doesn't matter what language you're speaking right now, Igbo, Chinese, Hausa, Hindu, or Zulu, whatever the language is, you can create a music in that language using AI. And this AI tool will turn your ideas into real song. And the best part is that you can create and commercialize these songs. You can upload it to streaming platforms and actually earn from the songs that will be created by AI. So if this is something you like, do help to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's get started. So to get started, the first step you need to do is to write your song. If you're a musician or a songwriter, this should be easy for you. But even if you're not, you can use any AI tool, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini AI, literally any AI tool to help you generate lyrics. And then once your lyrics is ready, now you're going to head over to suno.com. Just type suno.com and then it will take you to this interface. This is basically what the interface of Suno AI looks like. So once you're in here, you've registered, come over to this part that has create, and this is where we're going to be doing the magic. Now once you're in here, you're going to see icons like this at the top bar. You're going to see the simple and the custom icon. You can use the simple part to generate any music of your choice, but we're going to be doing what we want to do today in the custom part. So go ahead and click on custom, and then once you click on custom, you're going to see these three bars in here. You have the audio. Let's say you have any audio that you've already recorded, you have a song that you've recorded in your language, and this song is in your library, your phone, wherever it is. You can come over to this audio part to upload it, and then you have in here the personnel. Let's say that you want to imitate a particular vocal or a particular instrument, just come and click on this part, and then you have inspo. If you have any song that you want to use to inspire your creation, just come over to this part and upload it in here. But we're going to be using the audio part today for our tutorial. So once you click on audio, you can either upload an audio that you've recorded already, but if you do not have an audio, you can come over to this record part to record an audio, and I am going to be recording an audio directly here on Suno AI. Once you click on record, this bar is going to come up, and then you can record at least 6 seconds to 8 minutes long audio. And this is actually great because not all platforms will let you record that long. For those who produce music and commercialize them, I don't think there is any music that is up to 8 minutes long. The lowest you would see should be around 3 to 5 minutes, unless it's an album, but I'm not sure that currently we have music as long as 8 minutes. So you can see the flexibility it is giving to you. But if there are music that is as long as 8 minutes or more, just let me know in the comment section. I'm not a musician. So now once you're in here and you want to record a song, just come over to this part and click on record. So I'm going to quickly record a song over here on Suno AI in my language. I'm done recording a song and this is it here. So I'm going to quickly play this song that I recorded so you hear what it sounds like, because very soon we're going to be doing a lot with this voice on Suno AI. So just go ahead to listen.
Ibu Chukoma, Chukomano, Ibu Chukoma, Ibeberemo, Odemumai, Igoziri Magozi, Chukomano, Ibeberemo, Odemumai.
So you can see that this sound was recorded using my dialect. So you can use any dialect at all to record a song on Suno AI. So now, once you're done recording, you're going to have two options. If you don't like what you recorded, you can decide to start over. So you can take as much time to record the song that you want to record. If you don't like what you have here, you can start over. But if this is something that you like, you can go ahead and click on save. And please know that you can also trim the parts that you do not like. You can just maybe crop it to fit just the parts that you want it to record. Okay, so now I like this the way it is. I'm just going to go ahead to click on save. And then once you click on save, it is going to begin uploading your audio in here. Then you have things that you can do with your audio. You can make a cover. You can also extend this audio if you want it to be longer, or you can just simply save to your diary. So I'm just going to come over here to click on continue while our audio uploads. So our audio has successfully uploaded, and this is it in here. Over here at my workspace, you can see the recording, the time, and the date. So now the next step would be to edit this audio and put in the instrumentals, vocals, give it that studio feeling while still maintaining my voice. So what you're going to do is come over to these three dots that is very close to the audio that you recorded. Click on it, and then you're going to see remix and edit. That's what we're going to be working with. Once you click on remix and edit, you're going to see this part that has cover. Click on cover. Once you click on it, it would bring your audio over to this workspace where it would allow the AI to copy your intonation, to copy your sound, to copy your language, and make your song better. So it will not just do that, it would also go ahead to generate a lyrics. You can see the lyrics for my music. It has the verse. Over here it has the chorus. Now if you check the spelling of these lyrics, you can see that in some places the spellings are not correct. If you see something like this, please do not be tempted to start to type to correct the lyrics here, because what this AI is doing is to write what it is hearing you say. So if you try correcting it, it might give you something that you do not understand. But trust me, it's going to give you perfect pronunciation and intonation of your voice. But if you feel that once the music is out, it didn't give you the kind of intonation that you want, you can always recreate or come over to this part to edit your voice. Now, once that's generated your lyrics, you have this part where you have style. So if you want your music to be in a hip hop style, you want it to be in a gospel style, R&B, whatever it is you want it to be, you come here and put in the style here. So this is a gospel music, so I'll just come over to this part and just put gospel music because that's the style that I want it to be in. And then you have this part that has advanced options. Over here, this advanced options, you have your vocal gender. Please choose the gender that you want your music to sound like. I am a lady, and my voice recording is in a lady's voice, so I'm going to go ahead and click on female. You're going to leave the lyrics mode in manual, and then you have here weirdness, style influence, audio influence. Now you can drag this to whatever level you want it to be. Just set the tune of your song and how you want the audio to be. You can just walk around it here, but I'm going to be leaving this as it is. After you're done with this space, just come over to this part that has create and go ahead to create your song, and then it is going to begin generating your song in two different variations so that you have two options to pick from. So music is done generating. Let's listen to the first one to hear how it sounds like.
Chukumamo, Ibu Chukumamo, Chukumamo, Ibu Chukumamo, Inemeremu, Odimae, Igoziri Magozi, Igoziri Magozi, Chukumamo, Inemeremu, Odimae.
So you can see how amazing this sounds. It even added backup singers, and then it made my song sound better while still maintaining my voice and intonation. Now let's listen to the second one so we can know which one we'll pick from.
Chukumamo, Ibu chukuma chukuma mo, Ibu chukuma imemo, Odima. Igozere magozi, igozere magozi, chukuma mo, inememe mo, Odima.
So now you can see that this second one sounds better, but there's a bit of issue with the pronunciation. So you can always go and correct the lyrics and put in the right one so that it gives you the exact results that you're looking for. But overall, this is amazing, and I love how both music got the sound of my voice perfectly and gave me this whole studio vibe. So basically, this is how to create music in your language for free on Suno AI. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and if you're going to be trying this out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.